Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Boostron capsules. But before we get into that, a lot of you guys have been messaging me, and since I can't review every product that you guys send me, I created a guide that teaches you how to do this research yourself. So you can check the link down below in the description, and with that out of the way, let's get into the review. So as you can see, if you have it here up on Amazon, and this is what it looks like. It is basically just like a strength capsule and a strength supplement to help with your performance. With, for example, you're going to the gym and a lot more. So if you're wondering if this product is legit, let's read the reviews. And there are currently no reviews here on Amazon, and I couldn't find any reviews here online lately. However, I do have them on Trustpilot and see that they're rated 3.4 with only one review. So as you can see, bought a number of unexpected benefits. I regained a level of self-confidence I thought was gone for good. My you know what, now lasts over an hour. Energy levels have increased significantly. Even managed to lose 6 pounds. I'm generally impressed. So there's only one review about this product. But guys, before you buy this, I would advise you to do some more research, or just buy other products that are more trusted and more well known, since this product isn't that famous yet and there's not a lot of things known about it. And yeah, that is basically it, guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.